So we are solving problem number 421, number of strings under the Java MOOC course, part 4. So the programming exercise says that write a program that reads strings from the user until user inputs the string end. At that point, the program should print how many strings have been read. The string end should not be included in the number of strings read. You can find some examples below of how the program works. So I have a feeling that I have written this wrong before end 11 end 0. Okay, so all we have to do, let's try and get into this problem. So default package, there is number of strings.java. Okay, and there's a scanner. So okay, now let me just zoom in. Okay, let's use the loop. Oh no. Okay, let's use the loop while true. All you have to do is string, let's call it input string equals to scanner dot next line. Okay, after that all you have to do is count plus plus, but let's introduce this counter variable as well. So int count equals to 0, initialize at 0. And now let's go back into the problem. Okay, so yeah, nothing. And but there's a condition: if input string dot equals, we have equal to end, then we have to break this loop. So we're gonna break, otherwise we're gonna increase the count. And then after this loop's done, all we have to do is out count count. Right, now let's try and run this program. Select main class. Did I miss anything? I think not. So I am fine. Oh no, I am fine end. So that's 3. Let's run this again. I am fine should be 1, right? Now I am fine, and then end gives us 1, and if I input just end, it's 0. Okay, I think that's done. Now let's submit this program. Waiting for results from the server. Okay, yeah, finally all tests have passed on the server. Thank you.